Paying your way. Understanding payment methods in English. Hello, learners. Today, we'll delve into a critical part of English conversation related to food and dining, specifically, payment methods. Whenever you're ordering food, whether at a restaurant, cafe, or even online, understanding how to talk about payment is a must. So, let's explore this together. There are several ways to pay when ordering food. Here are the most common ones. 1. Cash. This is the most traditional form of payment, involving physical money. 2. Debit card. This card is linked directly to your bank account. When you pay with a debit card, the money is deducted from your account immediately. 3. Credit card. This is a type of card issued by a bank, allowing you to borrow funds to pay for goods or services. 4. Mobile payment. This is a digital payment method that uses a smartphone app. Examples include Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. 5. Contactless payment. This could be via a contactless card or a mobile device, where you pay by just tapping the card or device on the card reader. When you're ready to pay, there are different phrases you can use, depending on your payment method. Let's look at some examples. 1. If you're paying with cash, you could say, "I'll pay with cash, please." 2. If using a debit or credit card, you might say, "I'd like to pay with my card, please." 3. When opting for a mobile payment, you could tell the cashier, "I'll use Apple Pay, Google Pay." 4. For contactless payment, just mention, "I'll tap my card, device, please." It's always a good idea to ask about payment methods before you order. Here are a few phrases you can use. 1. Do you accept cards here? 2. Can I pay with cash? 3. Do you take mobile payments? 4. Is contactless payment available? That's it for today, learners. Now you know various payment methods and how to use them in English conversation when ordering food. We hope this makes your dining experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned for more helpful English learning content. Happy learning!